Hi, in this video we are going to see what are constant variables. So constant variables in C# are declared using the const keyword, and their value cannot be changed during the runtime or throughout the program, and their value will be same. They are useful for defining values that do not change during the execution of a program. For example, if you want to store a value that you do not want to change throughout the program or during the runtime, then you can store that value in a constant variable. So we'll create it on our Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. So I'll go to our Visual Studio. First we need to go to our terminal to create a project. So here we will create a project using make directory. First we'll make a directory project, then we'll go to project directory, and here we use .NET new console command to create new console app. So our console app was created. Now I'll open this app in our Visual Studio. So let's open it. So you need to open program.cs file, and we'll remove this hello world line and we'll zoom it. So now, if you want to declare a normal variable, so what you need to do, you need to just write int I. So this is a declaration of a variable. And if you then assign a value, for example this, then this is the initialization, right? This is a declaration, this is an assign initialization, or you can say you are defining it, that you have defined its value or assign its value. All right, and we normally use a define and declare this term for a function, but for a variable we also use this, like we have declared the variable and then we have assigned a value. We have assigned it value to I, which is 10, and you can do it in one line also, like for example you have declared a variable and then assigned value like this one. But what the problem is this, if you want to like change a value of a variable, then you can change it, for example 11. So now if you print it, its value will be printed 10, and after that its value will be printed, its new value will be printed, which is 11. So we can just run this program on our terminal using .NET run program. So here you can just see it's first it printed 10 and then it printed 11. Alright, so we'll go to our Visual Studio Code and we'll just delete all this or comment this. Now if you want to, for example, if you want to assign make a constant variable, then you can do it using const keyword, and then you can just do it like this one, and its naming convention will be like you need to write it in a capital. Alright, and you need to write a data type also, and you need to assign its value here. If you don't assign its value, it will show a error that you need to assign it value, it cannot be changed, and then you can assign it like this. So if you assign it value and then you want to change its value, then it will not be changed. Now if we run this program, we'll go to our terminal and then we will run this program. Now here you can see it's an error CS0131, which is like that you cannot assign a value after the you have declared a constant variable. Right, so it's saying that the left side of the assignment operator should be a variable property or indexer. Therefore we need to make it a variable, but we do not want to, we want to make it constant, and we'll just print this using .NET run. Now you can see its value will be printed. Thank you.